How to log in to Goldman Sachs Bank's account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Goldman Sachs Bank. If you are looking to log into your Goldman Sachs online banking platform, then here's how you can do it. Goldman Sachs Bank of USA is a subsidiary of Goldman Sachs Group. It offers a range of financial products and services primarily in the US. First of all, you'll need to open any browser of your device and at the search bar type goldmansachs.com. Make sure you enter the correct keyword here in order to reach to the official website. Once you have entered the keyword, press the enter button to search it. Once it loads, you will be taken to the official website of Goldman Sachs. Here at the top right, you will find Client Login option. Go ahead and click on that option. And once you click on it, you will be presented with these options. Here select the option based on your preference. Once you have selected one of these options, you will be taken to a new page now. Here you will find the login interface at the left side. You will need to enter your email address associated with your account in this box. After you enter the email address, click on this arrow button at the bottom. And now you will be prompted to enter the password of your account. Enter your password in this box. After entering all your credentials, now click on this arrow button at the bottom and you will be able to log into your Goldman Sachs online banking account, from where you can manage your finances, view transactions, transfer funds, and perform other banking activities. If in case you fail to log into your account, you can click on this retry login option or need help option at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts to recover your account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.